Guys, we back for another vlog video, day in the life. We here. You know, we're trying to drop them twice a week. I've been traveling a lot lately, but I'm back here. We got a lot of builds going up, so continue to watch the YouTube. Subscribe if you haven't, especially if you want all the free content and learning through the visuals that we give you. But we here, as you can see, we got the new Sprinter van. I had to get another one. I had one, and I got rid of it, and then I missed it so much, I like, fuck, I gotta get another one. And I just picked it up last night, haven't even had a chance to clean it or anything. So we're gonna get all cleaned up today. It didn't have a partition, but we made the partition. We're about to head to Hobby Lobby to get the leather stuff, wrap it, make it perfect, just the way that I want. I'm gonna increase the sound system, put a subwoofer in the back. But you know, I like to go in comfort. I like to jam and get the right energy flowing, you know what I'm saying? Also, we got a bunch of fucking builds going up. I got to make sure all the windows are ordered. We got all the valves going in. We got meeting with plumber. We got meeting with framers. Man, you should see these homes I'm building. The intricacy and the detail that is going into these style of homes, nobody's doing them out there. Even the builders that are building the $5, $6, $7 million homes like I'm building. And when I finish these homes, you will notice a considerable difference from these old timer builders to me and my builds. You'll walk them, you'll feel it, you'll feel the ambient glow everywhere, the natural sunlight on the windows. I mean, my window packages alone are $200,000 per house. We're talking huge, large windows. Stick around, we're gonna show you some good stuff. Also, we're gonna go shopping. My girl got me some Amiri stuff for Valentine's Day. It was our 5-year anniversary. And man, I can't believe it's been 5 years. You know, I've only been out of prison now like 7 years. So I got with her really within like a year and a half, 2 years out of prison. And so she's been a blessing, man. She helps me with everything. And her designs are going in all these homes. If you haven't seen her designs yet, you're about to get blown away when I finish these homes. I'm excited now because I don't got to do nothing. She designs everything. She gives me the booklet and boom, I give it to the project managers and the framers and everybody. So really easy now. I'm excited, man. We got a good day. Keep watching. Right now, we need a little padding to go under the leather. Staple it on, and we're done. All right, we just pulled up to Azalea. We got the sheathing going on. We're about to put the roof decking on top. Get this thing dried in. We need our windows to dry it in, but on our window order are all our doors. So doors and windows will be here maybe about 5 weeks. So we ordered them a little late. Now, I was going back and forth with different window suppliers. I ended up finding an all aluminum brand that came in like 60K under all the other ones, but I found them really late and they have the longest lead time. So, hey, but it's all right. We saved a lot of money on the windows. We found a new supplier for the other homes, and that's all that matters. But yeah, this home is almost 10,000 square foot under roof. Big ass house. I really like it. It's a little wet right now. We had a massive storm. That's why it's all dirty. Need to get the framers over here to clean all this up. Not really too much stuff to see here, but it looks good. It's gonna be a Mediterranean, got clay roof on top. It's gonna look really, really nice. I'm excited. I just hate the rain, man. As a builder, the rain is the worst. Water is the worst. All right, guys, we just pulled up to the mall. We're about to get some food. One of my favorite places to go is Joey Dallas. They got the best lettuce wraps. We also are meeting somebody over here. We got a meeting we got to attend to. And then I got to take back some of these clothes. So, and in the meantime, I'm going to get the fabric wrapped and the new battery put in. My guys just pulled up. The driver's going to go park it over there. So when we get back, hopefully that's wrapped and a new battery. Let's go. We just got that was the Atmos guy. He called me, said he removed the meter at one of the houses. but he hasn't retired the lines. Retiring the lines is gonna take 3 or 4 weeks, which we don't need it. All we need is the meter removed, then we can demolish the house. So we need the electric meter removed, then we need the gas meter removed, and then we can just turn off the water at the meter, and boom, we demolish the house, good to go, and they can come retire that line later. It's not that big a deal. So I just closed on 2 properties in Highland Park, and they actually are in the city of Dallas permitting, and so they're 1-day permits. So I just closed on them. I already have everything ready to go to submit. I should have the plans within or the permits within like a week. So that's probably the fastest I've ever closed on a house and got my permits. So I'm excited about that. Those houses are gonna be about $5.5 million each. Yeah, moving and grooving. I haven't even tried it on, honestly.
You haven't tried it out?
What, is this stuff on sale or no? Oh, this is Ghost Huge. Guys, my girl got me this. I don't like it, so we're gonna exchange it for this. But then I found something even better. So now I'm gonna exchange this for that. We're gonna do the full set. I already have it in brown. I want it in black.
So this one, this one's one. Yeah, so bring 2 sizes of these. This would basically be an extra large, but I have more sizes down and up, so we'll try that.
Yeah, let's try it.
Here to get near water. We spent some money getting near.
Putting the leather on the partition. We're gonna get it wrapped all perfectly tight, and we're gonna push it into place. All right, guys. As you saw, we just tried to put the upholstery on the partition wall that we built. The stapler started messing up. You know, in construction, things happen like this. I mean, shit happens, right? Nothing goes perfect all the time. It's just the way construction goes. So you got to act like water, and you got to form your way around it always. That's all we do. Not a big deal. We'll go buy a new stapler. We'll staple it. It'll be done in 10 minutes. Battery, same issue. I need 4 prongs on the top. I got the one with 2. All right, we're going to go take it back, get the one with 4 prongs, bring it back. Boom, done. We'll have this thing running perfectly within the next hour, hour and a half. Not that big a deal. Right now, we got a meeting. 3:30 with a student. He wants me to walk his house, check out his house to make sure everything's looking good, see what I can come up with to help him sell it fast and quick. So we're about to do that. So stay tuned. He's actually like a TikToker that got into home building, joined the program. We got him into home building. He's building 3 homes already. So he's probably going to make close to $1 million just off these development deals. Stay tuned for that. That's going to be cool. And then I still got to find a subwoofer. Where's my subwoofer guys at? Hit me up. I need a W or an L7, JL Audio L7 in the back or right here under this. I might put it right here, right by my seat. We need to be pounding, you know what I mean? That's it. Then I got an interview with the new CPA later on today. You know, in business, man, like I say, shit happens constantly. You got to pivot and you got to move around every issue. I had my CPA, got a better job, and he left my company. He was with me for like a year. So now I got to interview more CPAs, and I have 2 good ones for 5:30 and 6 tonight. So wish me luck. I need a new CPA, take over all my accounting because I have a lot of shit going on, and that is stuff that I hate. I don't like to be behind the office computer. So nobody's at the office right now. I need the CPA back in there. And then we're about to close down that office and open up a new one. You guys saw it on one of the YouTubes, I think, when we were touring that commercial space. I put an offer on. He came down a little bit, but he didn't match my offer. So we're still trying to work on him to get him down. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna build out this office. Me and my fiance, she's gonna have her design in there, her design company. I'm gonna have my development company, also my info builder accelerator company. If any of y'all do want to become a student, click the link below, join the mentorship. But yeah, that'll be the headquarters for the builder accelerator as well. We'll be having podcast rooms in there, content rooms in there, everything. So I'm super excited about that. And we got the mobile office, which I love the mobile office because I love moving around town without driving. You know, I got a lot of cars and I'm tired of driving. I'm thinking about selling everything I got and just fucking riding around. It's so much more relaxing. I can do whatever I need to do. I can make content for you. This is my student Chris. He's a beast. He's building both these houses. How many houses you got?
3.
3 houses, multi-million-dollar homes. They're not none of them little 300, 400 like I see y'all students be building. We ain't build that shit.
Listen, man, you want to take the next step into real estate development, try to figure out how to get financial freedom, take that next step into, wealth. Eric's going to get you to where you need to be to get your foot in the door.
Yep.
The mistakes that you're going to make is going to cost you the same amount as his knowledge that he'll give you, so you can avoid those mistakes. Get in, ask all the right questions, and you're well on your way.
That's it. Chris came from the TikTok world. Now he's a real estate developer, probably gonna make over $1 million off real estate alone this year. Good to see you. Yes, sir, likewise. Let me know if anything. All right, guys, we just saw my student, Chris. You see, he's building 2 homes. Those things are huge. He's learning. He's constantly learning. In construction, you learn every single day. He's having a few leaks under his doors. Probably a simple fix from just a door sill, a properly installed door sill, right? I don't think that one was properly installed. I told him it shouldn't be flattened down. It needs to have that nice big lip to stop any water from coming in underneath the door. But other than that, man, he's doing good. Proud of him. He's a young kid, man, learning the game, young. And coming from the internet world to actual real estate, he loves it. And I love watching him succeed, and I can't wait. He's already doing 3 homes, so he's doing like over $4 million, $5 million in real estate value right now. So shit, probably in the next 3, 4, 5 years, he's gonna be pushing big stuff. Maybe he'll try to catch me. But yeah, man, I love to see it, man. I love to see my students excelling. It's awesome, and I like to help them. Now we're gonna go drop this battery off, get the correct one, and go back and get it reinstalled, because we want a new battery in here. So I don't want to deal with anything right now. My TV's acting funny. The guy said it's the battery. I said, look, I'm gonna buy a new one. I'm not even gonna recharge it. So that's what we're doing. All right, guys, you saw another vlog. You saw us get the partition. We ended up finishing it. We got the battery installed. We done. We swapped out. Now we're in the Lamborghini. We're coming back to check on Caruth, one of our University Park new homes that we're building, making sure that they put the roof on. You see this metal roof going on, looking sweet, man. Metal roof, you know it's high dollar. But over here, University, Highland Park, these homes are $5, $6, $7, $8 million. So we got to bring the best of the best materials, and as you can see, we got to do all metal roof. So that's what we did here. Looking good. Just gotta wait for these windows, make sure they lock this up. But yeah, you saw a good day in the life. We helped out our student. We got all the stuff done with the Sprinter van. I need to go wash the Sprinter van now, but now I need to go work out. It's Wednesday, so we're chilling. Probably won't do nothing tonight. Just gonna hang out, jump on the computer. Just did 2 interviews with 2 new CPAs. One of them was a lunatic. I don't think he even knew what he was talking about. But the other one was crazy experience, exactly in what I need: construction, home building. And so I'm super excited. I got a interview again with him face to face tomorrow. So wish me luck on that. I need to get me another CPA on board because, as you know, building these homes, we have a lot of expenses, plus a lot of taxes because we make a bunch of money. So I need the best CPA to help me with tax planning, to help keep track of everything. But if any of y'all got motivated and inspired today, man, I hope y'all did. You saw my student Chris. If you do want to join the program, click the link below, schedule a call with me and my team. We'll get you signed up. You'll be a developer before you know it, building your own home just like the one behind me. But until next time, man, I'll be dropping another video either later this week. Be on the lookout, subscribe, click the bell so each video notifies you. And I appreciate all the support from y'all. See you.